Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Scan behind with mirrors and a quick over-the-shoulder check so you know when it's safe. Once you see a 2-3 second gap, prepare your arms, steer gently with your hips so the bike stays stable. For a left turn, extend your left arm straight and hold it until the turn begins. For a right turn, use your right arm straight or left arm up with elbow bent. Either way, make the motion clear and hold it long enough for others to react. You now focus on communicating speed and position. To show slowing or stopping, lower your left arm with palm facing backward and hold it for 1 to 2 seconds so following vehicles register your intent. For lane changes, signal 3 to 5 seconds before you start, keep your cadence steady, and move smoothly into the lane. Once done, cancel the signal with a gentle return to the handlebars. Make sure to glance over the shoulder right after signaling to confirm you finish every maneuver deliberately. Cancel the signal, recenter both hands on the bars, and resume your normal pedaling cadence so others understand you're done. If a driver or rider doesn't respond, repeat the signal, slow down, or stop until you have a clear path. Safety over speed. If you struggle to make your signals visible in traffic or low light, use bright gloves or a light, and reduce motion in your upper body so the arm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.